Good base. At the moment, all we want to do is sketch. We don't want to go into high level detail. We just want to create a rough sketch of the body. So next, I want you to go to edge mode. And I want you to carve a new edge through the center here. The problem is that you've got great big spaces. You've got nice edge flow, but you've got great big whacking spaces, around here. The easiest way to resolve that is to jump to object mode, first of all, and then jump to your sculpting tab. Now in your sculpting tab, you will have you've got some pretty interesting tools. You've got flatten tool, you've got grab tool, you've got relax tool. Now relax tool sort of smooths the surface of the mesh, but doesn't affect its shape. So I want you to double click on that. And then I want you to just gently use the relax tool. And I'm just going to turn my shading, and I'm going to turn on wireframe on shaded. And you can see that what it does is when I use that tool, it's moving these vertices and edges around so that they are better spaced. So that's quite a quick way of getting the result, getting a decent result, spacing out your edges without having to go in and add more edges. So you're starting to get a lot better spacing. And again, once you've done that, you will have to come in and adjust your vertices, but it's a pretty useful little technique to use. Okay.